In this video, we will try to see about automatic promotion in Java in aspect of overloading, we can say. So basically, what is automatic promotion? Like first, if compiler will look for the argument, whatever the argument we are trying to pass from the method itself, and if it is not matching, it will look for the another. I can say then if it is still not matching, it will look for another match, and it will goes to the next level. And if none of the match is matching, then in that case it will give some I can say compile time error. It will give like no match, or like I can say like incompatible types, it will give like that. Okay, so see, first we will understand like how promotion will happen. Okay, so in this I can say like we have some, if I have some method, like I can say like class I am taking test. Okay, inside test class I am giving one method. Okay, I am writing like public void, just consider public. Okay, public void method one I am taking. Inside this I am simply writing something, like inside this we are not passing anything, right? Or if just try to pass this time, we'll see this, don't worry. So I'm trying to pass int here. Okay, and something is written, but I am trying to like from this side I'm trying to pass t dot. I'm just created in the sense object reference has been created for new test, I can say like this way. As you know how we can create the object. So t dot m1 if I am writing, and inside this if I am passing I can say 10. Okay, so what it will goes for the perfect match for this. But if I am trying to pass t dot m1, and if I will try to pass like this one. Okay, so in this case what it will happen, see, this one is this, it is looking for char. Okay, this is looking for char, but this char method is, it is not accepting here. Okay, but in this case we will not get compile time error. It will return whatever we are trying to print inside this, it will return this to his this I can say. So this is nothing but promotion, I can say. So how it will happen, so actually byte will be promoted, I can say byte will be promoted to sort. Okay, and if we are like suppose a byte, if we are passing something, so if it is not, like suppose if we are part, as we have seen, int we have passed in the method, but we are trying to pass from here itself, I can say char value. So char is basically I can say it is like this, and it will be automatic promotion I can say for int, I can say. Okay, and if int is also not available, if it is not finding the perfect match, like I am finding t dot, if I will try to, okay, one more thing, if I will try to pass like 10.5, what will happen? Well, first we will discuss this, then we'll come to this point. Okay, so int will be promoted to long. Okay, long will promoted to float, and similarly it will be promoted to double. Okay, so 10.5 is type of what, double. So inside this we are having, we are passing integer, it is looking for integer like int value, and but we are passing here from double. So double will be, see, this is promotion in the sense what, someone is raising, right, simultaneously, this is promotion. What is demotion? Demotion in the sense I can say someone is coming from top to the bottom, or okay, this is demotion. And promotion is what I can say, from someone is increasing from bottom to top. So bottom to top is allowed in Java, but top to bottom not allowed in Java. Okay, so let's try to look on this. Leave it, no issue, not required. Okay, so we will try to run one program. Okay, we will see the program for this one. Okay, let me go for the polymorphism. This is the polymorphism concept. So we will write the program in this package only. So let's try to write a program. Let's create a class for this. I'm just taking as a test. Okay, just I taking main method. Okay, it is done, fine. Then come here, Then I'll try to write like this inside. Okay, first we will create a methods for this. So I will create public void. I'm taking m1 method inside this. Okay, and what I'll do here is I'll pass one int I as a parameter. Okay, inside this I'll write like sys out sysout. I will just take as a int argument. Okay, like int hyphen arg arg I'm taking. Okay, fine, no issue. Next I will take public void, and then I am passing like m2. I'm saying okay, or like okay. So in overloading we can overload this also, or we can do m2 also. That's not nothing to worry. We can write like m2 also. That's also fine. But in the just consider we are looking for the overloading concept, so we will overload this method. No issue. Okay. So let's try to pass here float. I'm passing here f. Okay, inside this just try to write like this pub lic public. Okay, inside this sys out sysout I'm passing like float arg float float hyphen arg I'm saying. Okay, inside main method just create object for that. So let's create object for this test t equal to new test. I'm just creating this object for this one. Okay, so let's come here. Okay, come on. Okay, so in this I will try to call this one. So how we can call? Okay, so if I'll write like t dot m1, t dot m1 if I'm writing, okay, whatever the value. First I wanted to pass the 10. Okay, so it will call enter, right? If I'll pass int, sorry, I'll pass t dot m1. Okay, and inside this I'll try to pass some float value like 10.45, and I'll pass like f. Okay, so this is nothing but float value. So this will print enter and floater. See, it is printing this, right? But suppose what we have seen here, we can also pass char. Okay, so char promotion will be happen to int. Okay, so it will if first match is found, then it will print only this one. Okay, so let's see this. Let me try to get it here. Okay, let me try this. Enter, I can say in 10. Okay, so let's come here. So I will just try to let me comment this. Okay, I have commented this. Again I will t dot m1 I am writing here, and inside this I will try to write something. I will try to pass some char. Okay, so I'm passing char here. So in this case what will happen? See, char parameter, it is not inside the method, so we should get compile time error. Okay, but it will not give. This will promote it to int. Okay, see, we are getting enter. So suppose if this method is also not available, control shift I'm just making here. If this one not available, so int, it first it will look for int, char will look for int. If int is not available, the perfect match, then it will promote it to float, right? Means first it will int to long, then long to float. It will be promoted like this. If float also not found, then it will be promoted to double. So this time it will give floater. See, it is giving floater. So this is how we can say about the promotion. Okay, this is how we can show about the promotion, I can say. Okay, so let's so this one we have already seen, I can say. So let's try to get this. So whatever we have talked as of now, like in overloading, if compiler is unable to find the method with exact match, it will not get it will not give any compile time error, or we don't get any compile time error immediately. First compiler promotes the argument to the next level and checks accordingly. Whatever the match it is available, it will return before throwing a compile time error. If it is perfect match to the next level, it will check like it will check like byte to short, short to int, int to long, or I can say char to int to long, then long to float, then float to double. It will work like this. So see, byte is promoted to sort, then sort is promoted to int. If it is we are accepting char, then char will be promoted to int, then int will be promoted to long, long will promoted to float, float will promoted to double. So like this way it will happen. Okay, in this case I can say. Okay, so this is how we can see about the promotion in overloading. Okay, thank you so much.